Start.
Alright, today we are going to work on addition using a 10 frame and a number line. For this, we are going to use a word problem. Our word problem today is Kendall baked 12 cupcakes for the school bake sale. Her friend Jonathan baked 13, while Taylor brought another 10 to sell. How many cupcakes will they have to sell at the bake sale to be completely sold out? So what I did here was I circled the key information that we need to know, which is how many cupcakes will they have to sell. That tells us that we are looking for a total. So we have to find the total amount of cupcakes that Kendall, Jonathan, and Taylor brought, and that would be how many they have to sell at the bake sale. So we're going to move this over here, and we are going to start out off using our 10 frames. Alright, and so as we know, a 10 frame is one group of 10. So, we'll see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we put 10 chips down, and that is one group of 10. So let's clear this off, and then we will start over. And first we'll start off with Kendall's cupcakes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10, but she brought 12, so we have to put 2 more. So 10, 11, 12. So here is one group of 10 plus 2. Now let's move on to Jonathan's cupcakes. And Jonathan brought 13 cupcakes. So we'll have one full 10 frame. Alright, so here are 10 cupcakes. And then we have to add 3 more to make 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, so Kendall has 12 cupcakes. Jonathan brought 13 cupcakes. And now we'll have Taylor. And Taylor had a total.
You're missing one.
Taylor had a total. Whoops, it fell off. Sorry. Taylor had a total of 10 cupcakes. So this 10 frame will be completely filled out. Alright, so here we have 10 cupcakes from Taylor, 13 cupcakes from Jonathan, and 12 cupcakes from Kendall. So what we can do now is we can regroup to fill up the 10 frames. So what we'll do is we'll take all of Taylor's cupcakes, which is 10. We'll take them and move them over here to Jonathan's. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have 2 full 10 frames, but we still have 3 more left over from Taylor's. So we are going to take these and move them down to Kendall's cupcakes. 1, 2, 3. Get rid of that. So here we have all of the cupcakes. And now we remember that each 10 frame is one group of 10. So what we'll do is we'll count them up. Here we have one group of 10. We have one more group of 10. We have another group of 10. And then here we don't have a full 10 frame, so we have to count these out. And you can tell that we have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have one group of 5. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get our paper and we can add these all together. So we have one group of 10 plus a second group of 10 plus a third group of 10 plus one group of 5. So if we add this together, first we start with the ones. So ones place. And we have no ones here. We have 0 ones right here and 0 ones right here. But we have, at the very last group, we have 5 ones. So we'll move the 5 all the way down there. And then we need to go ahead and add up the tens place. And here we have one group of 10, 2 groups of 10, and 3 groups of 10. So we have a total of 3 groups of 10. We had 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones. So we have a total of 35. To write this out, we can put they have 35 cupcakes total for the bake sale. So, between Kendall, Jonathan, and Taylor, they brought a total of 35 cupcakes to sell at the bake sale. That was using our 10 frame. Now we're going to go on to our number line, and we're going to look at this. So our number line, we see that we already have it numbered off. We have every notch is 1. Every little mark that we see is 1. And then I already numbered off in groups of 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. That's just to help us count. So first we're going to start off with Kendall's cupcakes. And so Kendall had 12 cupcakes. So what we can do is we can count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12. So here we have 12. So from 1 to 12. Now we have to go and add in Jonathan's cupcakes. Jonathan brought 13 cupcakes. So what we'll do is we'll count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 cupcakes. All of these little 1 marks, that's Jonathan. We had 13 of those. Plus 13. And we ended up at 25. Now we stopped adding Taylor's cupcakes. Taylor brought 10 cupcakes. And so what we can do now, instead of counting by ones, we can go ahead and we can count by 5s. And to get 5, or to get 10, we'll have 2 groups of 5. So from 25, we'll go ahead and skip all the way over here to 30. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little moves. That's plus 5. We're at 30. Now we have to go 5 more because Taylor brought 10. So we'll go 5 more. 5 and 5 is 10. And that leaves us here at 35 because Kendall brought 12, Jonathan brought 13, and Taylor brought 5. So when we add all those together, we end up with 35 cupcakes. All right, that's it.